In preparation for this demonstration, you'll notice that I have 5 files within this combining multiple files folder. And I've got the first file opened as shown here, and I've got the VBA code that's going to execute showing here. If I click inside this code and I start running it, what you'll notice is that the processing will skip this first file because it's already opened. The second file will be opened, and I'm just going to go ahead and let this thing completely run. You'll notice processing completed message appears. I'll click OK. And if I scroll down, you'll see a very large number of records in this file, which only contained originally about 2,000 or so. So now that this processing is completed, of course you're still within the first opened file, and in this case you could just do a file, save as, and call it something like all instead of the year. And there you see it.